If you're over 50 and think staying fit means endless cardio, heavy weights, and complicated routines, let me stop you right there. The truth is, you don't need dozens of exercises or hours in the gym. You only need 3 simple movements. Just 15 minutes a day is enough to rebuild your strength, balance, and mobility no matter your age. Here's the real problem. Most people over 50 don't struggle with exercise, they struggle with expectations. Stiff mornings start to feel normal. Avoiding stairs feels smart. And before long, you're saying, this is just part of aging. But every time you accept a limitation, you create one. The good news? You don't have to accept it. With just 3 scientifically proven exercises, you can reverse that decline, protect your independence, and feel stronger than you have in years. And in this video, I'll walk you step by step through each one. The exercise that prevents falls and builds full body strength, the move that keeps your heart and legs powerful, and the core exercise that protects your spine and posture. I'll also show you exactly how to start at your current level, even if you've never exercised before, and when to safely progress so you keep getting stronger without risking injury. So stick around, and if you're serious about staying strong, mobile, and pain-free after 50, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell right now. That way, you'll never miss the simple, science-backed routines I share to help you stay independent for decades to come. Now, let's get started. Exercise number 1 is the squat. The squat is the single most important movement after 50. Why? Because it's the foundation of independence. Every time you sit, stand, get out of bed, or climb into a car, you're doing a squat. Lose this ability, and everyday life becomes a struggle. Squats don't just build your legs, they strengthen your hips, core, and balance, while also boosting bone density in your legs and spine. That means fewer falls, fewer fractures, and more confidence with every step you take. Here's how to make it practical. Start with the chair squat. Sit down, then stand back up without using your hands, lowering with control. Do it slowly, and you'll immediately feel your muscles working. Once that feels easy, simply remove the chair. That's a bodyweight squat. Later, if you're ready for more, you can hold a small weight or even a water bottle at your chest to increase the challenge. The goal isn't speed, it's control. Think of squats as training for the everyday moments that keep you independent. Exercise number 2 is the push-up. Most people think of them as a gym class punishment, but the truth is, push-ups are the best all-in-one upper body exercise you can do. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, and core at the same time. Why does this matter? Because having a strong upper body makes daily life easier. It's what helps you push yourself up from the floor, carry groceries, or even catch yourself if you trip. And since push-ups also strengthen your posture muscles, they're one of the best antidotes for slouching shoulders and a rounded back. If you haven't done a push-up in years, no problem. Start standing with your hands on a wall. Lean in, press back, and you've got a wall push-up. When that feels good, place your hands on a sturdy table or couch and push from there. Eventually, you'll be ready for push-ups from your knees, and if you want to, full push-ups from your toes. The beauty of push-ups is this: no matter which version you do, you'll still be building strength where it matters most. Exercise number 3 is the plank. Finally, we have the plank. At first glance, it looks simple, but this move is a powerhouse for building core strength. And let's clear something up. Your core isn't just your abs. It's the entire system of muscles that wraps around your torso and protects your spine. Why is this so important after 50? Because a weak core is often the hidden cause of back pain, poor posture, and even balance problems. Strengthening your core gives you a stronger foundation for everything else in life. To start, try placing your forearms against a wall and hold your body in a straight line for just 15 seconds. When that feels comfortable, try the same position with your forearms on a couch or bench. From there, take it down to the floor, resting on your knees and forearms. If you could hold that position for 30 to 45 seconds with good form, you've already outperformed most people half your age. And here's the best part. You don't need to aim for the full plank on your toes unless you really want to. A strong knee plank already delivers all the benefits you need for daily life. And there you have it. Squats to keep your legs powerful, push-ups to strengthen your upper body and posture, and planks to protect your spine and core. 3 movements, 15 minutes a day, and you've got everything you need to stay fit, strong, and independent for decades to come. Remember, the key isn't intensity, it's consistency. Do this routine for just 3 months, and you'll be amazed at how much stronger, more mobile, and more confident you feel. You don't need a gym, fancy programs, or endless workouts. Just these 3 moves. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next routine. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 3 exercises are you starting with and which version matches your level right now. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to keep the momentum going, click on the video that's popping up on your screen. I'll walk you through another simple science-backed routine you can start today. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy. Take action today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.